I'm here in beautiful Llanrwst with Liz Davies of Golygfa Gwydyr Tours.
Well, we have some amazing places in the Conwy Valley, so we thought, what the hell, let's set up a tour company. And here we are. I mean, it's old, beautiful, interesting. We want folk to come and visit and tell their folk, who tell their folk, you know? Even people who know the area are amazed at the hidden gems we show them. Did you know that one of the oldest living organisms on the planet is standing less than 10 miles away? Awesome, hey? But we've hit a snag. Bureaucrats put pay to the space of the tours, fresh air and exercise. What more do you want? They said drinking hot coffee whilst bouncing on an orange plastic ball is bad health and safety, apparently. And public transport, I mean, hello, if your travelling companion happens to be Einstein, you're okay. But otherwise, you need to study a PhD in bus timetables to figure out the way to anywhere. We visit some really wonderful places, you know. People were too cold on Jones's tractor, so we insulated it with hay, but the sheep ate it. Our time travel machine wasn't quite as roomy as the one on the telly. What can I say? What we need is a bus. I do not mean a cardboard minibus. That is not what I mean at all. I mean a real minibus. So to raise money to fund the community work that we do. Help in our community garden, helping local people find work, teaching forestry skills, and to continue our theatre productions in the largest forest labyrinth. We have enough funds to continue until the end of the year. Without your help, we may close.
Well, these guys certainly need your help to continue their awesome work. And please tell your friends, tell your neighbours, tell everyone. Help Golygfa Gwydyr Tours get a bus. Thank you. This has been Ivana Van Later, reporting.
I really have to say, this is the most unusual tour I have ever been on.
Golygfa Gwydyr is a social enterprise. All our profits go into our community, so we really do need your help to keep our community building open, our forest labyrinth magical, and our community cat fed. Please visit our crowdfunding page, help our community, and help get Llanrwst on the tourist map. Thank you. Now get sharing and pledging.